Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a pin to Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the watch's home screen to get to the control panel, then tap on the settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap on password. Tap Enable Password and then enter your desired 4-digit PIN. Enter it again to confirm it. Your watch's password is now set. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.